There's a huge set of working files included with this title, and you'll find that once you've downloaded those or offloaded them off your DVD, the file structure will be the same as this. We have one folder per lesson. So 01, 02, 03, all the way through to 17. You'll find that 14 and 15 are in the same folder. This is the pivot table and pivot charts group. And when you open any particular folder, you'll find all the files that have been used throughout the instruction. Now, some of these files have the same file names effectively, but a slightly little different bit at the end. For example, here we have pivot table commission data, pivot tables version 2 report filter, and the one above is percentage, and then one for custom style, and then one for drill down, and then one for multi-labels. Effectively, it's the same file, but at a different stage of the training. So you've got those to pull from, look at, work with. You'll also find that in some cases, for example, here in folder number 6, we have the file that has been used in the training, and then the result of any work that has been carried out in the training. If any of the files have underscore result at the end of their file name, you'll find that these are at the end of the training process. So the formula, the working out, the calculations, the macros, whatever has been done in that particular file, that is the result of it. So that's where you're looking to end up. Files used in each particular lesson are in the correct folder, and there will be results files with underscore result at the end, and there could be different stages of the same file. As we saw there in the pivot table one, that has a different end of the file name, just to really indicate what's been shown in that particular file or what's been used in that particular file.